Today, let us start today's session. So, today's session, first is the harmful effect of arsenic while used as preventive, according to Ayush Montak. Next is the effective treatment of go back procedure of real homeopathic therapeutic system for prevention as well as treating different type of COVID-19 cases. Next one is there any question regarding this? After this, what is the difference between classical homeopathy with real homeopathy? The next part and last part. So now I am going to start arsenic album 30 has created bad effect, harmful effect on the human being, not everybody. What I have learned from different physicians, I can tell only this part. And this arsenic has only the preventive part. During this treatment for prevention, after taking arsenicum album, there is different harmful effect is observed among them who has taken arsenicum album according or maintaining the rules of Ayush Montak. So, in this regard, I can tell that this type of medicine, which is highly poisonous, but of course it is very much minute doses it is given. Again, it is observed during homeopathic medicine proving by Master Samuel Hahnemann. After taking any medicine without increased potency, without changing its power, it creates the proving symptom in the prover. I think there is so many idiosyncratic individuals. If those person, that idiosyncratic person, that is very much sensitive, highly sensitive person, if they have taken the minute dose of arsenic album, so many harmful effects are observed among them, as because the individual are idiosyncratic. But it is a matter to be noted that when Ayush Montak announced arsenicum album to be used for prevention, there is no any instruction regarding idiosyncratic individual. Idiosyncratic individual, for layman, it is highly sensitive person. Any medicine, if it is not indicated homeopathically, must create harmful situation, harmful effect. So I think that Ayush Montak should be cautious regarding giving the instruction. Commonly, arsenic album 30 have to take this and this dose, this and this days interval, but they have done nothing. That is why general people have to suffer with this arsenicum album. Not everybody. I have mentioned this. Why not everybody? Why few persons? Everybody is not idiosyncratic individual. That is why. But there is no instruction who should take, who should not. Okay, leave these topics. In case of carbohydrates also, it may happen. I must tell you that those individual is of pathophilosophically indicated of different medicine like Toza, like Medo, like Sibulinum, like Hydropovinum, all these things, where there is the indication of pathophilosophical prescription of different drugs, different medicine, what I have told, they must react. That is, the adverse effect must be observed among them. So be cautious. If it is seen that somebody is telling some uncomfortable feeling, regarding uncomfortable feeling after taking carbohydrates of any potency, then you must sure that that very patient is of having pathophilosophical indication. So do accordingly. Find out which medicine that very individual is having indication of pathophysiological which medicine. Again, I am telling it may be of Hydropovinum, it may be of Thuja occidentalis, it may be of Medurinum, it may be of Hydropovinum, it may be of Sorinum also. So don't be worried. If any physician can see the adverse effect in the individual after taking carbohydrates as preventive medicine, everybody should alert regarding this point. Please note it down. Again, I am telling, the person is of having pathophilosophical indication of different 4 drugs, Hydropovinum, Syphilinum, Thuja, Medurinum, even Sorinum, 5 drugs. That time you should consider the individual which medicine is indicated in him or her as pathophilosophical. Those who are not my student, they are not familiar with this very term, pathophilosophical. But I have mentioned it so many times, and I again also, and that previous days, the 14 pages lecture sheet, if you follow this strictly, then you will understand what is pathophilosophical prescription. In previous lecture, I have mentioned regarding 3 medicine. One is Thuja, another is Medurinum, another is Hydropovinum. If there is that very pathological indication is observed in any individual, you must be sure that after carbohydrates there may be some adverse effect. But again I can tell, if you know that somebody may show the adverse symptom after taking Carbobase, then also you must start with Carbobase CM. But be prepared, be cautious for the next medicine for pathophysiological indication, that is pathological prescription. When you give someone the Carbobase CM, you must be cautious for this. If this individual shows any adverse sign and symptoms and feelings, you have to prescribe, you have to administration that very medicine. For what you are prepared. So proper case taking is needed always. If there is any side effect, that is adverse effect or not. So this part I have never mentioned in this international seminar. So I think everybody is clear. Finally, I again tell this very point. Very few persons may show adverse sign and symptom and lack of sense of well-being after taking Carbobase CM or any potency as preventive for COVID-19. If it is observed, if it may observe or not, you should be cautious, you should be alert regarding that very adverse situation. You must think, if this very patient, this very individual may show adverse sign and symptom, then what the physician should do? If you are ready, then no problem. But you should always start with Carbobase CM. Either the indication, there is indication of pathophysiologically or not. It may be indicated, may not be indicated. If it is indicated, then also you must start with Carbobase CM. Because post-trauma syndrome